By the end of the video, we will know about common workout mistakes and how to fix them. Hey fitness enthusiasts, today we're diving into the world of workout mistakes and how to fix them. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Mistake 1. Skipping warm-up. Fix: always warm up before a workout. This helps prevent injuries and prepare your body for exercise. Mistake 2. Heavy weights without proper form. Fix: use lighter weights and focus on perfecting form. Gradually increase weight as you build strength and technique. Mistake 3. Overtraining. Fix: rest and recovery are key. Stick to a reasonable schedule. Listen to your body and alternate between high and low intensity workouts. Mistake 4. Ignoring proper nutrition. Fix: fuel your workouts with a balanced diet. Hydrate throughout the day and consider supplements if needed. Mistake 5. Same workouts every time. Fix: mix up your routine to keep progressing and avoid plateaus. Try new exercises, change rep schemes, or add different tools like bands or kettlebells. Remember, consistency is key. These fixes will help you avoid common workout mistakes and maximize your fitness journey. Keep up the good work, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Also, hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips. Stay fit, stay healthy.